Hello children, I Mrs. Pathan Afrin Khan welcome you for online study. So children, what today we are going to learn? Children, today we are going to learn how to measure the time. So the name of the lesson is measurement of time. So let's start the lesson. Open page number 74. Now see children, what Tai is telling. You had asked me how to tell the time using a clock. Today, I have brought a big clock to help you to learn that. Look at the long hand and the short hand of the clock. When both are at 12, it is 12 o'clock. Now, what Salma is telling children that when the short hand is at 4 and the long one at 12, it is 4 o'clock. So, children, I have already shown you that which is short hand and which is long hand. So, when it is at 4 and the long one is at 12, it is 4 o'clock. Now, Nandu, we can also show 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock like this. Now what Nandu is telling that 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock also we can show like this. Now what Sonu is telling children? The short hand goes slowly. So children, short hand is always goes slowly, but the long one moves faster. So long hand always moves faster. Now Tai. Yes, the short hand shows hours and the long one shows minutes. So what Tai is telling children that short hand shows hours and the long one shows minute. That is why they are also called the hour hand and the minute hand. So the another name of the shorthand clock is hour hand and the minute hand. The long hand has reached 1. So it is 5 minutes past 12 o'clock. So children, now the minute hand reaches at 2. So it will be 10 minutes past 12. Now when it reaches 3, it will be 15 minutes past 12. Then we will see that the hour hand has also moved forward a little. So children, see in picture you can see that how the long hand is moving and another the short hand is also moving little bit. Now Tai, that's right. Between two adjacent numbers there is a differences of 5 minutes. Now children, what Tai is telling us that between two numbers means 1, 2, 3. There are two numbers. Between 1 and 2 there is how many difference? 5 minutes difference. So Sonu, that means we can use the 5 table for counting minutes. So Sonu is asking to the Tai that we can use a table of 5 for counting minutes. So when the hour hand is between 12 and 1 and the minute hand is on 9, we can tell that it is 45 minutes past 12 because 9 fives are 45. Now Tai. Great. When the minute hand moves forward starting from 12 and reaches 12 again, it has completely one round. That the time it takes to do this is 60 minutes or 1 hour. In that time, the hour hand moves from 12 to 1 and at that moment, the time is 1 o'clock. Tony. I got it. If the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is on 8, then because 8 fives are 40, it is 40 minutes past 4. So children, what we have learned that hour and minute are the units for measuring time. So children, always remember that hour and minutes are the units for measuring time. Now page number 75. Now see what they are asking. Write in hours and minutes the time that each clock is showing. Now children, they have given us some clocks and they are asking us to show which time they are showing. Now we will see the first clock. In first clock children, a long hand is on 1 and the short hand is on 4. So what time it is showing children? Who will tell me? Very good. That 5 minutes past 4. Now see the next picture. Now children, what the next picture is showing us? What time it is showing us? That short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 4. So children, what time it will show? What time it is showing us? Very good. It is showing us 20 minutes past 3. Now next picture. Now children, what time the next picture is showing us? Children, that short hand is between 7 and 8 and the long hand is on 7. So what time is going there? It is 35 minutes past 7. Very good. Now next clock. What it is showing children? The next clock, the short hand is between 9 and 10 and the long hand is on 11. So children, what is the time? It is 55 minutes past 9. Now today's homework. So children, the exercise of page number 75, the exercise first and exercise second, that only you have to solve in your classwork as well as in your homework notebook. Question number 3, 4 and 5 you are not going to solve children. So remember well that only exercise number 1 and exercise number 2 you are going to solve in your classwork and your homework notebook. Okay, goodbye children. Have a nice day.